Welcome back to AER channel, and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we are gonna show how we can split surface by using split line tool and split tool. So we have this surface here, and this is surface body 1. And now we wanna, for example, split this surface into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. To do that, we have to use a split line. But before we use a split line, we have to create a sketch. So let's go to sketch, and let's choose front plane. Now let's go normal 2. And now we're going to create 2 lines here. Line 1 and line 2, like this. And now we can position this, for example, like this. And now we want to split this surface with those 2 lines. So we can exit sketch. And now we have to go to split line. So there are a few ways how we can access this split line tool. We can, for example, right click, and we can turn on analysis preparation. And here under analysis preparation, we have split line. So let's choose split line. So here are the type of split. Let's go with projection. And here, let's choose the sketch to project. Let's choose this sketch. And then we have to choose face to split. Let's choose this one. Now let's click OK. And now we got this result. And now we have this face, and this face. This is still one surface body. But now, for example, we can use this edge to create a new face and to create a new sketch. For example, let's click on this edge. Let's go to features. Let's create a new plane. And now we have to find a new plane here. Let's click OK. Now we can create a new sketch here. Let's go to sketch. Convert entities. Let's choose this edge, and OK. And now we have created a new sketch here. And now we can, for example, go to surfaces, and we can go to planar surface, like this. And OK. And now we have created a new surface here. And now we are gonna show how we can split our surface body by using split tool. So we wanna split this surface body with this face. So let's right click here. Let's go to analysis preparation. And here we have our tool split. Now here we have to choose a trim tool, and we're gonna use this face like this. Here we have target bodies. Let's go with all bodies, and let's go cut bodies like this. And now here we can choose which body we want to cut. We can cut this one or this one. Let's go with body 2, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. We can also go back, edit feature. We can choose body 1, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. So the split line and split are very powerful tools, and they can make our job much easier when we work with surfaces. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Hopes it can be a little helpful and useful.